Hello everybody, I'm Austin, and a little bit of a break from the normal videos you guys see on our channel. Jessica is present, but she's behind the camera because she doesn't know how to solve one of these now. I do. Sometimes I like to show off, and this is one of those times. So, as you can see, it's solved. I'm going to throw it to Jessica. Good catch. She's going to mix it up. Alright, so here we go. Rubik's Cube. Timer. I tested it out. That's why it has numbers on it. Alright. When I release my finger, the timer starts. Give me a countdown from 5.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Did a good job mixing this up, Jessica. I'm proud of you. Too bad I'm going to be able to solve it anyway. Ooh, it fricked up. Kind of. Not really. Ooh! I did. I'm getting there, though. Okay, now we take off. Hope everybody is enjoying their day so far. I am currently not doing a very good job of this, but I think it's about to get a little better. 55 seconds. I actually messed up a couple times. I feel like I could have gotten under 50 seconds, but I'm kind of disappointed with myself.
Let's do it again.
Do it again. Alright, give me a countdown from 5 again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom. Yeah, good job. You did it. You need to go on YouTube and learn how to actually mix these up really well. But once you get past the first step, it's not that difficult to...
So I didn't mix it up very well?
There's really no good way to.
I know.
Because once you get past the first step, it's all good from there. For me. Well, I'm not going to beat my last time, but I'm going to get it pretty close. I hope. Nope. A few seconds off. Over a minute. 101. 91.
You want to do it again?
One more time. One more time. Blindfold. I'm kidding.
No.
Alright, give me a countdown from 3.
3, 2, 1.
Boom, still got it. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I am... There we go. Ooh. $48, 9.8. Can the camera see it?
Yeah.
Cool. 48.98 seconds. I told you under 50 seconds. But no, nobody wants to believe Austin. So, thank you for watching the Rubik's Cube video. Now, I appreciate everybody watching. It is indeed a pleasure.